Largest lake in the world disappearing due to damaging human activity. The Caspian Sea, which is our planet's biggest lake, is shrinking as a result of harmful man-made endeavors. Its coastline is approximately 7,000 kilometers long and borders 5 nations, which rely on it for various activities. The vastness of the lake also helps to maintain stable temperatures, provides moisture for rain, and is a home for countless animal people. However, the level of water has decreased by around 150 centimeters since 2005 and could fall by 30 meters by the start of the next century. The precipitous decline has been caused by multiple factors, including global warming, dam building on rivers that feed it, excessive taking of its water, and more. Such alarming news on the rapid dwindling of the Caspian Sea. In the Providence's boundless mercy, may humanity soon take urgent action to limit global warming and better protect our beautiful planet.
The animal people are our co-inhabitants. Be vegan.
Czech Republic's capital adopts new law for animal people welfare. In October 2024, the City Council of Prague in the Czech Republic passed a proposal to bar street performers from involving animal residents in their shows. The new rule bans both active participation and passive presence of our furry and not-so-furry friends alongside outdoor entertainers. The City Council emphasized that this law recognizes both animal individual welfare and public safety worries, as stressed animal citizens can be a danger to passers-by. The police will issue fines for violations, and non-citizen violators could possibly be deported. The city also encourages responsible tourism through initiatives like Enjoy Respect Prague, cautioning against paying to take photos with a wild animal person, a common money-generating scheme of street vendors. Our hats off, Prague, for your new legislation to protect animal people. In God's enduring grace, may we cherish and always have high regard for our animal friends as they deserve.
Avoid killing karma so your life won't be on the list when disasters and pandemics hit.